Hi, today is Monday the 4th of April. I'm Steve O'Hare from Acuity Signal Centre, and we're bringing the trade of the week this week, and the trade of the week is Nasdaq 100. So we're going to run through the timeframes and show you all of the technical analysis, starting with the weekly chart and then drilling down to shorter timeframes. So on a weekly basis, we have seen a rejection from the all-time highs, and we've seen this really aggressive corrective move lower. We got down to 12,950, around about that area, before this corrective rally. Now, last week's price action has posted a bearish candle. It's a short shooting star candle. Really, we need confirmation of this by a negative move this week. However, we're off to a positive start as we enter the early stages of the Monday's trading session. Take a look at the daily chart. We can see the range that we've been trading in since the start of February. We've got this area of resistance up around about the 15,200 to 15,400 area. This has acted as resistance and support on a number of occasions. More recently, the 2nd of Feb, and we got rejection from here at the end of March 29th and 30th of March with this move lower. So an initial rejection from here, and on the supportive side of things, support really not seen till around about the 13,000 level. So plenty of room for a correction after this impulsive move that we've seen over the last couple of weeks. Now, on a 4-hour chart, we've got the signs of at the early stages of a head and shoulders formation. Still a long way to go before this plays out, but if we were to get a break of support around about 14,722, that could potentially open up the downside for a deeper retracement into these levels that we haven't seen since the middle of March. On the hourly chart, however, a little bit of the opposite picture. We've got an inverse head and shoulders, highlighting the fact we should see more positivity. We've just broken and confirmed this formation. So now we've had a break above the 14,956 level. That opens up potential for a more extended move, a deeper correction higher, and that could present an opportunity later in the week to fade into. But at the moment, on the short-term basis, it's looking positive. On the slightly longer term basis, negative bias prevails. That's about it for the trade of the week. That's the Nasdaq, and as I say, mostly bearish overall bias on the higher time frames, but quite a little bit more positive on the lower time frames. Okay, thanks very much for joining us.